you still don't know anything. Why? You're gonna get shocked. You don't understand how to answer a 2-marker. How many points should I be giving out for 2 markers? How many lines should I be writing for a 5-marker and a 20-marker and an 18-marker and a 15-marker? So guys, practice with past paper material, analyze mark schemes, look at what Cambridge wants from you, look at what EdXL wants from you, look at what AQA wants from you. When you're doing AP examinations, look at what AP wants from you. Answer based on past paper material, not based on what you think is right and wrong, because this way you're gonna bleed marks. What do you mean bleed? You know what you were doing, but you didn't answer the right way, you're gonna bleed marks, okay? So don't do that. Secondly, look at the important topics of your exam and try to internalize them. Understand the concept at concept level. At concept level, what is diffusion? At concept level, the perfume and molecules start pop, 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 and then start moving around and expand, and they diffuse in the room. Understand at concept level, what is the application of things that you're learning?
Teachx.net. We got you.